start off, you know where your earrings are at? Just a little bit above that. And that's where I'm going to start parting my hair. That's going to be my first part. And it doesn't have to be 100% perfect, but that's where I'm going to start. It's just like that. Honestly, it's not going to be perfect, so I don't want to go all the way on top of my ears or in the middle because it's a lot of wefts and we want to put all of them in, so we want to make sure that we give enough space. So by having that, when my husband is around or my mom is around, what I like to do with this, I like to braid it. So I like to go ahead and grab this here and braid this part, because normally this short ends, the short strands tend to sit there, and you don't want that to be showing when you have extensions. So make sure you go ahead and remove this out of your neck. Alright, so I just do a little ponytail like that. I know it looks weird, but I tell you, it doesn't move from there whatsoever. And if you're wearing your hair down, you won't be able to see it, and your hair doesn't move. This doesn't move to the side, just stays there all day. So I'm going to start off with a small weft, and I usually start with a 3-clip weft. What I like to do is I like to start off with the middle clip and apply that right in the middle. And then the corner clips, what I like to do is I like to grab the corner of the hair, twist it, and apply that clip into that little twist. So I grab the corners of the hair, twist it, and make sure that grasp on there. Okay, so then we move on and we go a little bit above that. Okay, so then we go ahead and part it again. And then what I like to do is I like to make sure that I'm grabbing all that short hair strands. Start with one side so you guys can see what I do. Okay, so I like to grab half of it and twist it. Do a little twist to the back. Just a twist. I grab that corner clip and I apply it right there where I started that twist. Then I grab the back one and I clip, and I make sure that I'm clipping the twist to the middle of the back of my hair. So it's out of the sides. So let's do it again with this side. So what I'm doing is I'm sort of twisting my sides, and I'm bringing it to the back, and in the middle I'm crossing those two twists, and I'm using the middle clip to hold those two strands of hair in the middle so it falls right in the middle of my head. And then on the side I'm clipping the hair extensions onto the twists to make sure that it stays securely there, and as well the hair falls into the back, not into the front. We don't want nothing short in the front or on the sides. We're gonna go on top of where our eyebrows end. Here's where we're gonna go. Sometimes you're gonna get a lot of hair, sometimes you're not. But if you do have a lot of hair, there's parts where it's gonna be a lot of hair. You can, again, twist it. You can braid it. Make sure you take everything outside. You can braid it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to go ahead and grab that part. As you can see, this, I'm going to twist it. I'm going to leave it there twisted. And I'm going to grab a 4-clip strand. And I'm going to start with the two in the middle to make sure that I grab those twisties. I'm not letting go of the twist in the back yet until I make sure that I grab everything I want to grab. And everything is to the back. And there we go. I'm clipping away. So every hair I want it twist to the back, nothing in the front. All we want on the sides and in the front is the hair extension. So everything, all the hair is pretty much hanging in the back of the hair extensions here, and that's what we want, because we don't want them to show on the side. So the same thing, we want to grab whatever is on the side and we're going to twist it towards the back. Again, the other side, whatever we have, okay? And we're going to twist it, and we're going to make an X in the back, just like this, okay? We're going to grab the last 4 clip strand. The 2 middle ones are going to hold each side of the twist. I'm not letting go yet until I make sure that the sides, I'm grasping them and leaving them back there. All right, and then I let go. But as you can see, nothing in the front, no shortness, no short hair in the front, nothing. If you move the hair extension like this, you flip your hair, you don't see any short strand of hair. Everything is hair extension because everything, it's all twisted towards the back. So now the side is where, well, it gets a little tricky when you have your hair straight. That is where my little clip comes in handy. So we just have 2 more wefts left, which are the 2 clip ones, which are smaller. Normally they come on the side of your face. So that's what we're gonna do. We're going to go ahead and part it with your eyebrow arch. Halfway, not all the way to the back, halfway. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down to where we have that last 4 clip weft. So this is what it looks like. I have something up here, but then I'm going down towards that last weft was at. So I have this on the side, just a little bit on the side, just a little bit on the side, and then I'm looking at to where that last weft I put, and I am there we go, nothing shows, nothing's good, no shortness, just the part, this part, front part. I'll show you in a minute what I'm gonna do with it, what I do with it. Then over here also on the arch of your eyebrow, halfway, and then we're going to look for where we parted that last weft. See, I can see it. So that's where we're grabbing. Up here, down to where the last weft is at. There we go. Nothing on the side. You can see nothing, nothing. You don't see nothing. You don't want to see no wefts. No wefts. And in the front, we just want to make sure that all we see is long hair. No short strands, except of course the ones in the front. No short strands. No short strands, everything looks very well blended. Alright, so what I like to do in the front, because I don't like to show that I have, you know, shorter strands in the front. For me, it doesn't look even. Like, I don't really like that, short strands. Some people like it, some people leave it.